Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. As always, I'm Andrew the Fig Collector, and today we are on the part 5. I'll show you my Jujutsu Kaisen Aced Figures prototype. But before the video, I want to show you my first figure 2026 and another gadget that is really cool. For the figure we have Sukuna alien form of 13, and there is his box. And for the gadget we have Yuji Tadori doing his domain expansion that I both together the 30 manga of Jujutsu Kaisen, the variant. It's a really big variant and I really like it. But let's continue with the video. So today is the turn of Maki Zenin. For her I chose a 4-face and 2 gadget. But as the Akari, Kusakabe, Choso and another one, probably one of the face won't be in the figure cards appear in the second part of Calling Game and after. So for her we have the serious face, smiling face of the fight against Naoya, of the second fight against Naoya, sorry, an eye blindfolded face of before this fight against the Zenin clan, and the eyes closed when she was dead. For the gadget we have his katana and the Jiniji Zenin head. So knowing Tamashi probably they will put only the sword, but that will be pick have even the Jiniji head. So the video is ended. I hope you like it. In the next video we will review Sukuna T13 and see you in the next video. Bye.